Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 8 of my 100 days HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects challenge, where I build real front-end UI projects every day to improve my web development skills. In today's project, we are going to build a cyberpunk-style hero section using only HTML and CSS. This design includes neon glowing heading, flicker animation effect, modern hero layout, gradient futuristic background, neon call to action button. This type of hero section is commonly used in modern landing pages, SaaS websites, gaming sites, and tech startups. So let's start building this project step by step. Before writing the code, let's look at the final result. Here we can see a full-screen hero section with a dark cyberpunk background. In the center, we have a large neon glowing title that says, "Future is here." The title has a flickering neon animation, which creates a futuristic digital effect. Below the title, we have a short description text. And at the bottom, there is a neon-styled button that glows on hover. This design creates a strong first impression for any modern website. Now, let's build it from scratch. First, we create the basic HTML document structure. We start with the doc type declaration to use HTML5. Next, we open the HTML tag and define the language. Inside the head section, we add the meta char set tag to ensure proper character encoding. Then, we add the viewport meta tag so the layout becomes responsive on mobile devices. After that, we give the page a title called Cyberpunk Hero Section. Then, we link our external CSS file. Now, we move to the body section. Inside the body, we create a section element with the class name Hero. This section will cover the entire screen. Inside this hero section, we create a container div called Content. Inside this content container, we add a large heading element. We also add a data text attribute, which can later be used for advanced text effects. Next, we add a paragraph to describe the hero message. Finally, we add a link styled as a button, which will act as our call to action. Now our HTML structure is complete. Now let's move to the CSS file. First, we import a modern futuristic font from Google Fonts. This font helps create a cyberpunk-style typography. Then we apply a CSS reset using the universal selector. We remove default margin and padding and set box sizing to border box. We also apply the imported font to the entire page. Next, we style the body. We apply a deep black background color. This dark background is important because neon colors look brighter on dark surfaces. We also hide overflow to prevent unwanted scroll bars during animations. Now we style the hero section. We set its height to 100 viewport height so it fills the entire screen. We also set width to 100%. Then we use Flexbox to center the content horizontally and vertically. We apply a radio gradient background to create depth and a futuristic atmosphere. This makes the hero section look more cinematic. Now we style the main heading. We increase the font size significantly to create a strong visual impact. We add letter spacing to give a futuristic typography feel. Then we apply a neon cyan color. To create the glowing effect, we use multiple layers of text shadow.
Next, we add a flicker animation using keyframes. This animation randomly removes and restores the text shadow. This creates a realistic neon light flickering effect, similar to cyberpunk signs. Next, we style the paragraph text. We adjust the font size and add spacing above and below. We also reduce opacity by using a gray color. This helps maintain visual hierarchy, so the heading remains the main focus.
Now we style the call to action button. We add padding to increase clickable area. Then we remove text decoration and apply a neon pink color. We also add a border and box shadow to create a glowing outline. On hover, the button background becomes neon pink and the glow becomes stronger. This creates an interactive futuristic button effect.
And that's it! We have successfully created a Cyberpunk Hero Section using only HTML and CSS. This project demonstrates how we can combine typography, neon colors, gradients, animations, layout techniques to build modern landing page designs. This was day 8 of my 100 Days Web Development Projects Challenge. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more daily front-end projects. Also, check the GitHub link in the description to download the source code. See you in day 9. Happy coding!